Hey guys, it's Mo, and I'm coming at you today with a super budget-friendly and oh so stinking cute Ostara altar DIY brought to you by the Dollar Tree. I got all of my supplies for this from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? And I was compensated for this post, and there are affiliate links down in the description, so if you want to shop the supplies through those affiliate links, I will be compensated if you click on them and make a purchase. But I had so much fun going through the Dollar Tree and thinking about what I could make. I really loved these little floral sprigs, and you'll see later, you can kind of see them in this little clip here, but the speckled eggs that I use for this little Ostara DIY, I love them. They look like they came from a high-end home decor store, and I can't believe you got 6 of them in all those pastel colors for $1. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and you can read a full blog post on this on my blog. I will link that in the description as well, and I will talk to you all in a minute. Guys, doesn't this little Ostara altar look so cute? It looks so high end. I even got the little bunnies with their gold ears from the Dollar Tree. It looks so amazing. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.